Found the GoPro.
Nah, I'm just kidding. What's up, YouTube? It's been a minute since we did a camping video. Gonna head up to Utah this weekend, do some fishing and some camping. Gonna get the truck loaded now. Well, since the last camping video, I did pick up a new truck. This will be the first time going up in the truck. Should be a good time. It's a Toyota Tundra, so can't really go wrong with the Toyota. Let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see, we got the Tundra, the 4x4, all black on black. "37" Toyo open country ATs, 18" Raceline wheels. Ride's pretty good. Not too loud. It's not a mud tire. Also got the Icon coilover. It's sitting on a 6" Pro Comp lift. We went ahead and put the Fox shocks on the rear. It's ready. It's ready for the off-road. It's ready for the camping. It's ready for whatever. Just got done loading up. About a 3-hour, 15-minute drive to Navajo Lake. Gonna be camping at a campground. I've been there once before, about 2 years ago, so I'm a little familiar with it. And we'll be doing some fishing and some cooking. Be meeting my mom up there for our yearly camping anniversary. Let's get on the road. All right, we're on the road, leaving Vegas. Next stop, Utah. Just making a quick stop in St. George here. Gonna get a breakfast sandwich at Jimmy John's. We're driving up the mountain now. Should be at the campground in about 20 minutes or so. The weather is already better. Look at that temperature. Look at that temperature. 64 degrees. It was 100 in Vegas. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a nice cool weekend. Navajo Lake. The water is really low right now though. Lower than I've ever seen it. And we made it to the campground. Now we just gotta find our spot. Here's the camping spot. Brody, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
If you want that to stay in the shade, you're better off putting it over here.
I was gonna put the canopy up.
You're gonna put it over the table. Okay.
Camp's all set up. Time for a protein shake. Brody.
It's like, I don't know what that is.
Campsite all set up. Got the nice easy up canopy. Cooler. We got water. Washing water. Chairs. Nice little spot for the tent. Saw a deer walk back here earlier, so hopefully he leaves me alone tonight. Lets me sleep. Just taking a little walk through the campground, checking out some other sites. Some other good ones here. check them out next time. This is ours right here. Here's my campsite from the first time I came to this campground. That's where I had my tent, right over there. And we got the tent. And we got the hammock. Memories. We're about to make our way into town because I didn't bring a jacket and it's supposed to be 40 degrees tonight. You know, when it's 100 degrees in Vegas, I wasn't really thinking about it being cold. So I forgot my jacket. I'll see if I can buy one in town. And I also brought the wrong charging cable for my phone and the GoPro batteries. So I'll see if I can buy a charging cable also. And then after that, we're gonna head down to the lake, either Navajo Lake or Duck Creek, and do some fishing. We're here at the lake. I'm go down, check it out, see if we can catch us some fish. Try out the power bait eggs. I've never tried them before. See how they do. A little breezy out here. Hope the camera doesn't fall over. Alright, tried and true. We're going with the original power bait. No more egg. Let's see what happens. Oh, one jumped out. Get in there. Yeah, fishy, 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 fishy. What? Well, no fish for us today. So tomorrow's a new day. See if we can't land us a fish tomorrow. Probably check out Duck Creek, the lake there at Duck Creek. It's tough fishing from shore from Navajo because it's windy and shallow for about 30 feet out. But you know, my mom did get one fish, so they are out there. She was using a worm. I was using some power bait. I used a power egg. I did try one worm, but I lost it after a few casts, so back to the camp we go. Carnitas tacos for dinner. And we got the Glenlivet for later. But for now, Old Faithful. Cheers, y'all. There's the guac. Cheese. We have a cabbage. Tapatio, tapatio, tapatio.
Keith Brody was lying in your last video too. How is it?
It's good.
Check it out. Pork shoulders.
We're on taco number 2. Probably go for a third one after this. That's my cheat day. Taco number 3. You guys know what time it is. I only got the 12 year this time, but for the value, $35.99 at Total Wine and More. The 12 year is good. The 14's better. 14's about the 14 year is $49.99. My favorite is the 18. Woo, the 18 is good. Smooth for a 12. Yeah, that'll warm us up. Whew. That's good. That's good stuff. Had a few shots. Now I'm in the tent. Gonna change, and I'm still in shorts and a t-shirt, as you can see here. And it's probably about 50 degrees, so it's getting a little cold. Went down to the store and bought a Duck Creek sweater from the store, so pretty stoked about that. It's actually a pretty cool sweater. I hadn't had one, so I'll change and possibly go to bed or possibly stay up for a little bit. We'll see. Here we are, day 2. About to eat some breakfast burritos and then head down to go fishing. Burrito time.
Took my orange juice out. I don't know where to put it.
Alright, we're done with breakfast. Pretty good breakfast burritos. Egg, some of the leftover carnitas from last night, and then some cheese and some hot sauce. Pretty simple, but pretty good. A lot of flies right now, so got the fly trap out. It's helping. I think we're probably gonna head down to Duck Creek now and try to do some fishing. Maybe we'll have some better luck today. Weather's pretty good, not too hot. It's probably in the 60s right now, so I think the highs are in the 70s today. Should be a good day.
Good Brody, huh? Good Brody. What's a good Brody?
Alright, we're here at Mirror Lake. Just got the line baited up. Let's see how the fishing goes. We got a small one.
You got one?
Yeah, it's not very big.
It isn't a trout.
Oh, he just went under the pole, under the stick. Come back here. There you go.
So there's no markings on it, no spots, no nothing.
Brody, get back.
Is he hooked lightly?
You're right, it doesn't look like a trout.
Huh?
Doesn't look like a trout.
It's not. You look like I wonder if there's some kind of sucker fish.
Oh, he's gone. There you go.
I always got back to the camp. It was pretty windy out at Mirror Lake, so I caught that one little fish, and then we didn't really catch much else. The GoPro battery ended up dying, so stopped in town real quick, picked up some drinks, and then came back to the campsite. Probably just gonna relax here for a little bit. Probably do a late afternoon fishing session. See how it is. Do a little hike up this trail by the campsite. See what's up here. Oh, that's a bee. Leave me alone, bee. Well, there's not much up here. Looks like the trail just kind of dies off. I know there is some trails around here, but I don't know where they are. Well, back down we go. Grilling up some bell pepper and onion. Gonna be making some Philly cheesesteaks.
How is it?
That's good. You have to have the hot sauce for the Philly. Started doing the Alka Bar in Indio, California. Put the hot sauce on the Philly Deluxe. Oh, it's good. That was a good Philly. Hit the spot. Alright, dinner's done. We just cleaned up everything. Head down to Navajo Lake and see if we can't catch a fish. Do a little sunset fishing. And then we'll come back here, probably start the campfire. And then hang out by there for a little while. Hopefully we can get a fish before we go. All I got's that small one so far, so I'm due for a fish. Down here at Navajo Lake. You see all the smoke in the air from the fires nearby. Air quality's not the best. Doesn't mean we still can't try to get a fish. Oh, I got hit for a second. Yeah, he almost yanked it off the hook. Alright, one more cast. Last cast of the day. The sun's about to go down here soon. That's a wrap. No fishies today. We got the fire going.
Flaming marshmallows.
Well, that's a wrap for day 2. Waiting for this fire to go out, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow we'll wake up, load up the truck, hit that old dusty road back to Vegas. See you guys in the morning. Morning, y'all. Day 3. Just got done loading up the truck, packing everything up. Just doing one quick walkthrough, make sure I didn't miss nothing. Then we're gonna get on the road. That's it, we're on the road. Camping trip is over. It was a good weekend. Too bad we didn't catch some more fish, but you don't always catch them, so let's come back up here and try again. I believe the next trip is to Sand Hollow coming up soon to do some paddle boarding. So watch out for that video, and thanks for watching, everyone. It's another typical weekend for you. See you guys.